Ever wonder which AI could actually build the best creative tool? Today we're putting four powerhouses head to head: Claude, ChatGPT, Manus, and Google AI Studio, in a battle to see who can create the ultimate YouTube thumbnail generator. Each of these AIs was given the exact same challenge: build a tool that can take a video title and description and turn it into a scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnail. Who can build it best? Who fails spectacularly? Let's find out. 4 AIs, 1 challenge, and here's the twist before we dive in. Which one do you think made these thumbnails? First up, Anthropic's Claude, known for reasoning, not visuals. Could it step up and build something that actually looks good, especially with its new skill generator? I asked Claude to design a YouTube thumbnail generator skill, something that could suggest color palettes, generate background images, and layer in text overlays. Claude immediately structured the requirements like a project manager on caffeine, generating clean documentation and even validating my prompts for clarity. It took a long time, but it built a complete deployable skill. With some reiteration because it wouldn't give me a proper zip file, the output was there. A clean and functional thumbnail that looked fine, but not really good at all, not like a generated image. It had readable text, bold contrast. It was technically correct, but it lacked emotion. So the verdict on Claude is that Claude nailed the logic with the skill, but design-wise, it was a failure. Next up, OpenAI's ChatGPT. The question, can it do any better out of the box? Just like Claude, I gave it the same prompt: build a thumbnail generator with title and description inputs, background generation, and font recommendations. It started strong with an HTML file, then things got really weird. The base model's output looked like a poster from 2016. It was just text, and then the downloaded file was off-centered, and it was absolutely terrible with no sense of composition. So I would give this a failure. So I decided to shift into custom GPTs. Now, this is where things got interesting. This is ChatGPT, but trained with the style that I expected and using GPT-5's image generation abilities. So could it give us a thumbnail worth clicking better than the regular GPT HTML generator? So I built a specialized model in custom GPTs called Thumbnail Forge, trained to prioritize high contrast, readable text, and emotional imagery, and instantly the difference was night and day. This thing generated thumbnails that looked like YouTube. Faces, color pops, layered composition. It understood exactly what I wanted and produced it immediately. For the first time, we have something that looks like it could actually drive clicks. Next, we take it up a notch with Manus, an AI video and app builder that literally creates tools on the fly. Instead of text or code, I asked Manus to build a Chrome extension that could generate thumbnails directly inside of the browser. Manus really surprised me with the build process. It didn't just generate an image, it built an app that I can integrate into Chrome. Within minutes, I had a working extension that let me input a title, hit generate, and boom, a thumbnail. The only problem? The results looked like early AI. Blurry text, warped textures, and awkward color blending. It was fully functional, but the aesthetic felt 2023. Still, that's impressive. An AI that builds another AI-powered extension, that's a win for engineering, even if the art failed to evolve. And finally, the heavyweight, Google AI Studio with Gemini 2.5. Gemini didn't just generate images, it built a hostable website. I used Google AI Studio to refine the code iteratively, and Gemini handled every improvement like a pro. It integrated color themes, custom text inputs, and real-time previews with ease. The first image it produced looked like something out of a professional design studio, with sharp typography, cinematic lighting, perfect composition, and each new variation got better. I added brand kits, filters, layout modes, and Gemini's API kept it up perfectly. No weird text, no distorted hands, no unusual blending of colors, just clean, consistent, usable design. By the end, I wasn't just looking at an image generator, I was staring at a complete web app, hosted and ready for real users. The interface, polished and intuitive. It offered multiple styles: default, vibrant, cinematic, minimalist, and retro, and each theme rendered differently but equally high quality. It even included a brand kit section. Upload your logo, define your palette, and watch the thumbnails match your entire channel aesthetic in seconds. This wasn't just another AI prototype, it was production-ready software. So here are the final results. In first place, Google AI Studio with Gemini 2.5, unmatched in scope and quality. Second, Custom GPT, a powerhouse once you fine-tune it. Third, Manus, impressive engineering but outdated visuals. And fourth, Claude, slow, logical, and visually uninspired. So what about you? If you had to build your own AI tool tomorrow, which model would you trust? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for the next AI Showdown.